Baby.
Okay, mommy.
Mommy, mommy. Look at me. Hello. We're going to our gate. Hina. We're coming.
Mommy.
Mommy. Here na. Nandito na kami sa skutero.
Necessary to change the board pay for this flight. Our departure fee is 116. Once again, our departure fee is 116. We really ask all our customers to receive a 116 boarding. Thank you for your understanding.
Oo. No, it's waiting. Nag-wait siya.
Hey! Hey! Ang giant! At si Babig!
Super big?
The giant si Babig!
Super big, giant.
Hey! Bye! Si...
Red balloon, red balloon, red balloon. So many, many balloon in the sky. So many.
I'm flying! I'm flying! I'm flying! Wow!
Ayun, it's flying na. Wow! Okay. Pasok na kami ni baby. Woohoo! Ito na yung airplane. Woohoo! First time, baby? Yes, first time. Yeah. Hello. Hello, we're inside the airplane, mommy. Show outside. What do you see? Airplane? So many airplane. Yeah. Don't touch that. Okay? Very good.
Bakayak!
Mm-hmm.
Bakayak!
See? You know how to do it? Yeah, very good. Buckle up.
Daddy.
Okay, I'll back it up.
In the overhead compartment,
Buckle up.
take care to store them securely.
Okay, let us see the view outside.
Of the compartment.
Yeah.
Wow! Wow!
See?
Ah, yes.
Yeah, that's it.
But,
See?
but,
That's the airplane. That's the seat. Good. Hey, mommy's there. Huh? There's si mommy. Hey, hello. Ayan na si mommy. Di pa niya nakikita. Wiggy, mommy. Wee! Yay! Kiss mommy. Oh. Yeah. Fantastic. Hi mommy, hi daddy. Hello, this is our first trip in Singapore.
ah.
Sit down. You cannot go there. You cannot go there.